Greetings, home chefs. Welcome back to Kitchen Quest, where clever tools turn everyday cooking into pure joy. I've hunted down 25 Amazon gadgets, all with built-in demo videos that will clean up clutter, slash prep time, and level up flavor. From bulk rice management to latte art wizardry, every pick is battle-tested for 20 to 25 kitchens. Ready to see what actually deserves a spot on your counter? Let's jump straight to the good stuff. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 1. Lifewit 25-pound Airtight Rice Dispenser. Bulky rice bags tipping over the pantry are yesterday's problem. Slide the grains into the slim Lifewit tower and press the silver button. Exactly 1 cup drops into the detachable measuring beaker, which doubles as a rinse cup for perfect sushi-ready rice. Dual silicone gaskets lock out damp air and pests, while the clear front window tells you when it's time to restock. The vertical footprint slips neatly between fridge and counter, freeing shelf space for spices. Bisphenol A-free plastic wipes clean with a cloth, keeping both your grains and your kitchen pristine. Number 2. CAROTE 15 Piece Detachable Handle Cookware Set. Cabinet chaos ends here. CAROTE's viral granite-coated lineup stacks like dinner plates because the handles pop off with a single click. Fry eggs at breakfast, click, then slide the same pan into a 450-degree Fahrenheit oven for dinner gratin. No extra dishes. The non-stick ceramic surface releases food with a whisper of oil and wipes spotless under warm water or a dishwasher cycle. Induction-ready bases heat evenly, while the removable handles save up to 70% drawer space in apartments, recreational vehicles, or tiny homes. One set. Endless configurations, pure countertop serenity. Number 3. ICEBREAKER Pop 2 No-touch ice tray. Imagine ice cubes that never stick to your fingers or smell like last night's garlic bread. Fill the silicone cylinder, snap the lid, and stash it upright. When happy hour hits, tug the side straps. 18 crystal cubes pop straight into your shaker without touching the tray. The leak-proof body travels in coolers, so beach cocktails stay splash-free, and the slim bottle profile saves freezer real estate. Bisphenol A-free materials clean in the dishwasher, while the updated 2025 hinge withstands thousands of pops. Fresh ice, zero struggle, party on demand. Number 4. FryAway Plant-Based Grease Solidifier. Hot oil down the drain means plumber bills. Instead, while the fryer's still warm, stir in a spoonful of FryAway. Within minutes, the shimmering liquid cools into a firm, crumb-free puck you can toss with regular trash. No jars, no clogs, no guilt. The powdered blend is made from vegetable waxes, fully biodegradable in 30 days, and releases no harsh fumes. Choose standard, deep fry, or super fry packets to match your pan size and reclaim spotless cookware without paper towels or dread. Cleaner kitchen, greener planet, happier wallet. Number 5. Seropy Roll-Up Oversint Drying Rack. Countertops disappear fast, but this clever rack appears only when you need it. 16 silicone-tipped stainless rods unroll across the sink, creating a sturdy bridge for plates, produce, or scorching Dutch oven lids rated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Water drips straight into the basin, not onto your butcher block. When dishes are done, simply roll the mat like sushi, secure with the attached band, and slip it beside the cutting board drawer. Rust-proof steel, heat resistance, and a non-slip grip mean years of tidy service in apartments or campers. Number 6. OXO Good Grips Push-Down Vegetable and Nut Chopper. Knife tears and uneven dices? Tap instead. Drop onions, garlic, or toasted pecans into the clear 2-cup chamber, then press the cushioned plunger. Each push spins the flared stainless blade for a perfect grid. Measurement lines track salsa portions, the soft touch knob unscrews for dishwasher cleaning, and the base detaches to scoop directly onto tacos. A built-in bumper absorbs countertop shock, so midnight snackers won't wake the house. Compact, safe, and oddly satisfying, it turns prep work into a quick cardio session for your thumbs. Number 7. Rubbermaid Brilliance Brown Sugar Keeper. Brick-hard sugar ruins last-minute cookie cravings. This clear Triton container solves it with a double seal and an integrated moisture well that hosts a quick-soak terracotta disc. Snap the lid, and molasses stays locked inside every grain for weeks. The stain-proof walls shrug off turmeric and tomato sauce, stack smoothly with other Brilliance modules, and slide into shallow drawers thanks to their squared corners. Dishwasher safe, bisphenol A-free, and odor-resistant, it keeps everything from chocolate chips to trail mix visible, fresh, and ready for spontaneous baking sprees. Number 8. Stasher Stand-Up Silicone Storage Bags. Plastic zipper bags equals landfill guilt. Replace them with these colorful platinum silicone pouches that stand upright for ladle-friendly filling. Pinch lock seals trap flavors and liquids, so you can marinate chicken, freeze smoothie packs, steam veggies in the microwave, or sous vide a steak, all with the same bag. They survive oven temps to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and endless dishwasher rides without warping. Transparent fronts show contents at a glance, and each bag offsets hundreds of single-use plastics per year. Sustainable storage that actually performs and looks Instagram pretty. Number 9. Zulay 2-in-1 Lemon and Lime Squeezer. Seedless citrus in 5 seconds. The dual-bowl Zulay nests green for limes, yellow for lemons, giving each fruit a snug press that converts muscle into maximum juice. Perforated cups strain pulp, leaving pure liquid ready for ceviche or Sunday mimosas. Die-cast aluminum means zero flex, a powder coat finish defies dishwasher rust, and the hinge pin is reinforced for thousands of cocktails. Compact enough for camper kitchens, bright enough to spot in a drawer, it's the bartender's secret weapon masquerading as a humble press. Number 10. Stainless steel milk frothing pitcher. Upgrade latte foam from bubble bath to micro silk. This barista-grade pitcher sports laser-etched ounce and milliliter marks inside, so you never overfill the wand. Thick 304 stainless walls retain heat evenly. A weld-free rolled rim pours without dribbles. The ergonomic handle stays cool, giving you precise wrist control for rosettas and hearts, while the narrow spout channels milk like a fountain pen. After service, toss it in the dishwasher or shine that mirror finish with a microfiber cloth. Cafe elegance delivered to your countertop. Number 11. USB-Rechargeable Digital Spoon Scale. Too much salt ruins soup. Too little espresso grounds ruin crema. Enter this 0.1 gram accurate smart spoon. Tap power, scoop spices or coffee, and the OLED screen flashes an instant readout up to 500 grams. Modes toggle between grams, ounces, and carats for resin hobbyists. A 2-hour USB-C charge powers weeks of nightly dinners, while the stainless scoop detaches for dishwasher rinses. Compact enough to hang on a magnetic strip, it delivers lab-grade accuracy without the bulky lab. One scoop, exact science. Number 12. Spring Chef Magnetic Measuring Spoons. Recipe calls for 1/8 teaspoon, no more rummaging. 8 stainless measuring spoons nest in one slim stack, clicked together by powerful N45 magnets that resist drawer jostles, yet separate with a twist. Dual ends give you a narrow oval that slips into spice jars and a rounded bowl for liquids. Both ends show permanent laser-etched marks that never wash away. Flat bases let each spoon rest level on the counter, freeing hands for pouring. Dishwasher safe and satin polished, they make precision feel effortlessly organized. Number 13. Kitchen Gizmo Snap. End strain clip-on colander. Why juggle a pot and a bulky colander when this silicone crescent snaps right on the rim? 2 spring-loaded clamps hug anything from a 9-inch saucepan to a stock pot, even non-stick. Tilt and pasta water rushes out while gnocchi stays safely inside. No second sink dance, no lost ravioli. Heat-proof to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Bisphenol A-free and dishwasher-loving, it folds flat in a drawer once dinner's done. A built-in lip channels liquid away from your hand, so goodbye steam burns, and hello one-handed draining serenity. Number 14. Peleg Design Egguins. Boil and serve egg holder. Turn breakfast into a polar expedition. 6 plastic penguins cradle eggs in their bellies. grab the Cool Touch handle and lower the whole waddle into boiling water. No cracked shells, no bobbing chaos. When time's up, lift and dunk straight into an ice bath or march them to the table for a whimsical serve. The compact raft parks neatly in fridge doors, doubling as safe storage. Heat-resistant, dishwasher-safe, and irresistibly Instagrammable, these birds make perfect soft or hard-boiled eggs and even steal the brunch spotlight. Number 15. Infraovens Air Fryer Parchment Liners. Grease buildup and scrub sessions end here. Pop one pre-cut liner into your Ninja or Kosori basket, load wings, and cook. Hot air circulates through perforations for even crisping, while the 428 degrees Fahrenheit rated paper shields the basket from sauce scorch. Food slides out without tearing, leaving you a virtually spotless fryer. Made from unbleached, chlorine-free pulp, the liners add zero flavor and compost after use. With 100 sheets in the box, weeknight dinners stay crunchy and clean long past football season. Number 16. Jokari 2-Click Fizz-Keeper Pump Cap. Half-finished seltzer cans finally make it to morning. Snap this cap over any standard 12-ounce can, press until you hear 2 clicks, and built-in valves pump carbon dioxide back into the drink. The result, lively bubbles for up to 3 days and 0 backpack spills. A flip-back drinking tab lets you sip without removing the lid, and the compact design fits car cup holders. Dishwasher safe, bisphenol A-free, and bright red so no one mistakes your can for trash. Carbonation saved, money kept, waste erased. Number 17. Cordless Mason Jar Vacuum Sealer Kit. Canning goes cordless with an 80 kPa motor that locks freshness 5 times longer. Charge the 2000 mAh battery via USB-C. A full tank powers roughly 300 seals. Slip the included wide or regular mouth adapter over any ball jar, press the stainless button, and watch the lid concave in seconds. An LED ring signals airtight success, while an auto-stop sensor prevents over-vacuuming delicate herbs. Lightweight, purse-portable, and whisper-quiet, it's a farmer's market friend and pantry organization hero in one sleek gadget. Number 18. Commercial 11-Roller Hot Dog Grill. Throw stadium-style feasts at home. 11 chrome rollers rotate 360 degrees under dual temperature zones, cooking up to 30 franks while keeping finished dogs warm up front. A tempered glass sneeze guard maintains hygiene, and non-stick surfaces wipe clean with a single pass. The heavy-duty motor boasts overheat protection, and a front LED lets you track temps at a glance. Perfect for fundraisers, tailgates, or teen birthday parties where appetites are huge, and delivery can't compete with that carnival aroma. Number 19. Utensil Stir. Automatic pan. Stir. Give sauces constant attention while you, well, don't. Drop this 3-legged robot into gravy, press start, and it gently rotates every 8 seconds, preventing scorching and freeing your hands for salad duty. 3 speed settings suit caramel, risotto, or melting chocolate. Silicone feet resist 482 degrees Fahrenheit and won't scratch non-stick. After dessert, twist off the legs and toss them in the dishwasher. Powered by 4 AA batteries, Stir turns tedious stirring into effortless perfection. Ideal for multitaskers and lazy Sunday chefs alike. Number 20. Butter Hub XL. Butter dish and cutter. Crumbs in the butter? Not anymore. Slide the built-in stainless plane across a cold stick and out pops a perfectly even pat, straight onto toast. The crystal-clear Triton lid sports a silicone cradle for that slicer plus a space for a mini spreader, while the base has measured markings for tablespoons. A moat around the rim traps runaway drips, keeping counters immaculate. Holds 2+ sticks, fridge door friendly, and dishwasher safe, so every breakfast starts with tidy, Instagram-ready butter curls. Number 21. Hamilton Beach Open Ease Automatic Jar Opener. Tight pickle lids surrender with a single button. Center the clamp, press start, and the battery-powered gear arms cinch, twist, and release, all in under 10 seconds. No wrist strain, no rubber grippers, and absolutely arthritis-friendly. It adjusts from tiny salsa jars up to 4-inch mason tops, then folds compact to fit a shallow drawer. Runs on 2 AA batteries that last months, and the white acrylonitrile Betadine styrene housing wipes, clean with a damp cloth, kitchen independence delivered electronically. Number 22. Run Helix Silicone Ice Cube Trays. Upgrade to cubes that slide out, not fight back. Each flexible food-grade tray forms 15 1.25-inch blocks, ideal for whiskey, cold brew, or freezing pesto portions. Snap-tight lids stop spills and freezer odors, while the stackable design saves shelf space. The temperature-proof silicone survives ovens and dishwashers, so craft chocolate bites or baby food servings without buying extra molds. A rigid rim keeps filling steady, and the matte finish releases cubes with a gentle push. No twisting, cracking, or flying shards. Number 23. Meter Plus Wireless Smart Meat Thermometer. Nail medium rare without hovering. Insert the dual sensor probe, close the grill lid, and monitor both internal meat temp and ambient heat from up to 165 feet via Bluetooth. The free app walks you through setup, rest, and carve times, then pings your phone when steak hits target. A single AAA powers 24 hours of smoking. Dishwasher-safe stainless, a sleek bamboo charging dock, and cloud sharing for bragging rights. Meter turns weekend barbecue into predictable perfection, even for first-timers. Number 24. Geniza 1000-watt 5-in-1 immersion blender kit. 1 motor, 5 jobs. The 16-speed wand purees soup silky smooth, then clicks into a 500-milliliter chopper for salsa, a whisk for whipped cream, and a frother for matcha. Turbo mode tackles frozen fruit, while the anti-suction bell keeps splatter in the pot. All attachments are bisphenol A-free and dishwasher safe. The ergonomic handle stays comfy through meal prep marathons. A snap-on wall mount keeps everything tidy, turning small kitchen clutter into neatly stored power. Number 25. Zip-Top Stand-Up Silicone Bag Set. Meet the last storage bags you'll ever buy. Molded from single-piece platinum silicone, each zip-top stands tall for no hands filling and seals with a gentle press. No fiddly sliders. They're microwave, freezer, oven, and sous vide safe up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, plus stain and odor resistant. 8 graduated sizes corral meal prep bowls, craft supplies, or toddler snacks, nesting together when empty. Dishwasher cleanup? Toss them top rack. Made in the USA and backed by a lifetime warranty, these bags champion zero-waste living without compromise. And that's a wrap on our 25 video-ready Amazon kitchen gadgets. You've seen the must-have tools that will streamline prep, maximize space, and even add a little fun to your cooking routine. All 25 product links are waiting for you in the description. Grab those demo clips for your edits and start transforming your kitchen today. If you found your next favorite gadget here, hit that like button, subscribe for more Amazon Gold, and drop a comment with which tool you can't wait to try. Until next time, happy cooking and gadget hunting!